Elevate your fountain or surface aerator by bringing it to life during the evening. Kasco's LED stainless steel lighting will extend the hours of enjoyment you will get out of your water source. This video will walk you through each step to assemble and install these lights. What's in the kit? LED stainless steel lighting fixtures, lens caps, colored lenses in 4 different colors, lighting bracket, snap-on light clip, 1/4 by 1/2 inch hex head bolt, 1/4 lock washer. For easy assembly, clear a table or work area. Lay your lights out on the table and grab your lens caps and desired lens color. Place the lens caps upside down on the surface. Grab your lens cover and remove the protective layer on both sides. Take this lens and install it inside the lens cap, ensuring that all 3 flaps on the cap are holding the lens as displayed here. Repeat this process until all lens caps have been properly prepped. Grab your brackets and 1/4 hardware and install them on the light fixtures with your 7/16 inch socket. Repeat this step for each light. Take your lighting clips and attach them to the bottom of the brackets as displayed here. Take your lens caps and place them on all your light fixtures. And the last step is to attach them to the float by just snapping them on. It's that simple. Now you are ready to install on your pond or lake. And remember, if you have any issues, please give us a call at 715-262-4488 and the best customer experience team in the world will be able to help. Kasco, moving water forward since 1968.